Cheyenne, and this is my channel, Shy's Designs. I am here to breathe life back into furniture and make beautiful pieces affordable again. Let's get started. To open up this video, we have two pink velvet vintage chairs here. One rocks and one is stationary. They're in pretty rough shape with sun damage, stains in the fabric, and unknown rough spots. I definitely knew they could not stay their original color, and I'm super excited because we are going to dip these babies in dye, clean them up, and make them gorgeous again. Oh, and by the way, $5 each, you guys. This transformation is going to make you flip. Alright, let's yank the skirt off. This other one now. Once we get the two skirts off, first, I ripped the skirts off of both chairs. That took a bit of elbow grease with a use of various tools to get them off, but they are better for it. It is a bit of a bummer that the skirts were stapled and nailed, and that the nails left a rusty residue and stain in the fabric. That just added to the reasons why these chairs could not stay their original color. Next, I used white dye in the shade of dark green and emerald, and I mixed them together to get my desired shade. Then I boiled some water, added the dye to the water, and used a stiff paintbrush to apply the dye. After each coat of dye, I used my Bissell Little Green to clean the chair and remove any residue that may stain the clothes upon usage. I did a total of 3 coats of dye to make sure it covered all of the pink. I keep the dye hot by boiling the water and the dye together in a kettle and just adding enough to the metal bowl that I was using to get a few strokes from my brush. And when cleaning the fabric, I included fabric softener for the rough parts, and a combination of everything done worked like a dream. I let each coat dry, then I deep cleaned, then let them dry again, then I dyed again, repeat. And after that, I mean, wow. The color is exactly what I wanted. I got all of the stains out, the fabric smells amazing, and it's so soft and super comfy. Like I said in the beginning, these chairs cost me $10 together. I spent about $20 on the dye, and it took me about 6 active hours over the course of several weeks to finish these chairs. I spent an estimated total of $100 on these chairs. I plan on posting them for $200 a piece or $350 for the pair. I'm hoping to sell them soon, and I'm super excited to see what my profit margin will be. Thank you so much for taking this time out to watch my furniture flip. I honestly couldn't do this channel without you guys, and I'm so thankful that I do get to do this. So help me reach my goal of 1,000 subscribers. And share this video with your family and friends. If you guys enjoyed this video or happen to learn something, please leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. See you then. Alright, let's yank the skirt off. This other one now. Once we get the 2 skirts off, I can clean them at the same time. And it'll save me a little bit of time, hopefully. If not, then whatever. But I like to do one thing at a time. what works for me. This skirt is, I'm finding, is being a bit tougher to get off. There we go. Luckily that was a little bit easier. A little bit being the key word. Make sure that I'm not touching any of the exposed nails.